Okay, I finished that bad boy. I went to Harbor Freight, got these bad boys this morning. This is what was holding me up. You gotta make sure you got a wide grip so you can get that snap ring. I went and bought these little ones. It was doing too much. Little hammerheads, they was in the way. I couldn't get in there and get what I wanted. But shout out to Harbor Freight. They came through. They said Harbor Freight got the cheap tools. Well, the cheap tool got the job done. Appreciate you. So here go the bad one. AC clutch. You see all that gook stuff up in there? Seized up. Magnetic coil. It's the pulley. It's the bad part. Got it off Amazon, $86. Brand new. No noise. No grinding. Sound good. See that sweating? That R134 right there. It's that refrigerant 134. Had that bad boy converted over from that R12 old school, 134. Sweat mean good. Sweat mean good. That mean the AC pumping in there. Let's go check it out. See what it's doing here. Let's see what it's doing here. Feel good in here now. Yes, sir. That bad boy on max. Right about 60 degrees in here right now. That's what I'm talking about. 60. It's dropping. About 59. Uh-oh. Yes, sir. It's dropping. Got that bad boy on max. AC, cold, It's dropping, baby. About 58. So, Big Al's wanted $750 to change the whole AC compressor. When the AC compressor wasn't the problem, it was the AC clutch. The little thing to make that noise click on and off when you're driving your car. So I called Dillinger's, another automotive service place, and they wanted the same thing. Of course, I ordered it from Amazon, $86 for the part, $80 worth of tools. So that's $166 myself. About 3 days worth of work because I had to wait on Amazon 2-day shipping. So, you know, Friday I took it apart and everything. Posted that one video when y'all saw me in the rain. But she ready now, baby. Woo! About 55 there, boss. It's about to be 40 degrees up in this jump. I holla.